Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to SmartTag tracking alerts with Samsung, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the SmartThings app installed on your device. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Sign in with your Samsung account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. Locate your SmartTag in the list of devices. Tap on the SmartTag you want to set up alerts for. Scroll down to find the Settings option and select it. In the Settings menu, look for the Tracking Alerts option. Tap on Tracking Alerts to open the alert settings. You will see an option to enable alerts for the SmartTag. Toggle the switch to enable tracking alerts. You may be prompted to customize the alert frequency. Choose your preferred alert frequency from the available options. After you've made your selections, go back to the Settings menu. Make sure to save your changes if prompted. You should now see confirmation that tracking alerts are active for your SmartTag. You can repeat these steps for any additional SmartTags you wish to track. Your SmartTag is now set up to send you tracking alerts based on your preferences. Check your notifications to ensure alerts are coming through as expected. You're ready to start using SmartTag tracking alerts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.